imagine something like that last night, so I don't, don't, by no means, you gotta be anywhere other than right where you are.
It was really hurtful.
Yeah, well, it's all good. It has nothing to do with you. Well, it does in some ways.
Yeah.
I miss. There. So you had a far atlas on the right yesterday, and it's not the same. Looks down. Bring your head up, extending it to your tail. Yeah, and bring this forward. Yep, like this. There, yeah. Breath just filling up here. More, let the breath kind of fill you there. In this spot right here. There you go. Good. And down. Check your wrist over there.